I'm in Devizes in the UK. We've been here about 10 days doing a house sit. The weather hadn't really been that great. It's been raining most days, so I hadn't had a chance to do a walk around town and get much video. But today is our last day here, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot and see if I can get some decent video. A little bit of traffic here today, so I'm not getting the best video. The White Bear is the oldest pub in Devizes. The downtown square here, a lot of restaurants, pubs, a couple hotels. We ate at that the Bear Hotel there the other day. Pretty good food, pretty affordable. Today's Thursday, so there's a weekly market here. I'll walk through it in a minute.
You can sell it.
That red brick building at the end of the road there is a brewer. They still deliver their kegs to the local pubs that they own via horse and buggy. this area here is mostly closed, it looks like. And knickknacks and random crap. Well, there's a little cafe over here. So that's kind of the downtown area here. It's not very large, but it's a nice area. If you're in this part of England, I would suggest definitely come and take a look at it. It's easy to walk around. It's pretty flat for the most part. I'm going to see if I can walk over. They have a set of locks on the canal here. I'll see if I can go get video there. Hopefully it doesn't start raining before I get there. Unfortunately, I started to feel some rain coming on, so I'm not going to make it to the locks. I may go back and get the car and drive. It's about 1.5 miles from here, so that might be the smartest way to go get pictures, and I may even take my drone if it's not raining then. So, but we'll see what happens. Can't see it very well, but there's a castle up there, so unfortunately it's privately owned, so I can't get up there to give better video, but you can see it in the distance there. Over to the right here, you can see the castle. We're doing a lot of renovations on it. So I'm not sure if you heard, but this front part here is for $11.50.